What is up, everyone? This is Motors, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the cannot type in my Windows search bar error that you may be getting. So let's go right into this. So what I mean by that is your search bar at the bottom, like bottom left, for both Windows 10 and 11, if you're not able to like just type like I'm doing over here into it, there's two ways to fix this. The first thing is you can open up the task manager by going to the bottom, right clicking into it and opening it up, and in here you want to basically find the Windows Explorer if you have one opened up, right click into it and do end task. Essentially it's going to like restart it. It's entirely possible that because of that it's glitching out, it's not essentially working for you. The next thing to do is to basically go to services. Now to do this one, obviously since you can't type here, you can't go to services, you want to press the Windows, where the Windows button is on your, the logo is on your keyboard, and the R button to open up Run, basically, as you see here. And then in here, you want to type in services.msc, because this will open up services that you're seeing over here. In here, there's a specific service called Touch Keyboard and Handwriting Panel Service. This one, you want to double click into it. You want to change the startup type from manual to automatic, and if it's not running, start this service. Once you do this, your keyboard should start working, because it's working everywhere else. It's just the search bar it's not working on. So doing this should help. The last thing you might need to do is restart your computer after doing these things, which should help fix this issue for you. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please subscribe to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'm Motoros out. Peace.